Attention, this is an emergency action notification issued by the White House and the Miami Police Department. If you are not in the Miami area, please tune to your local station. This is not test. To repeat, this is not test. A large earthquake happened in China yesterday, causing the Great Wall to collapse. This released a large army of creatures that are 60 meters tall and destroying cities around the world with an extreme body temperature of 45,000 degrees Fahrenheit. As of 4 hours ago, they have landed the west coast. The U.S. Army has neutralized about 4,000, about 1/5 of these creatures. However, they are in the Central Plains as of now. Get underground in order to not be burned by these creatures. We will sign off with the national anthem as we do not know if the United States will survive this event. But if it does, it will take years to recover. Please stay safe and goodbye for now.